Today we're installing a 50-gallon crossbed into a Dodge 2500 pickup. This is the drilling and mounting portion of our install. We're going to start by making sure that the tank is square inside the vehicle, taking measurements both side to side and front and back. Once you've verified that the tank is squared into the vehicle, go ahead with a paint pen and mark the feet on the tank. Now we're going to proceed to drilling our holes for our feet with our 1/4 inch pilot bit. We're also going to drill 2 1/4 inch holes into the side of the bed. This is where you're going to later on stretch them out to a 1.25 inch hole with a hole saw in order to feed your electrical and your fuel lines through. Now we're going to make our 1.25 inch holes using a hole saw for our grommets for the fuel lines and electrical. Insert the grommets. It is very important to make sure that your grommets are in the side of the bed, not to go through the head gate or over the head gate. This may cause pinch points or rubs if you run it through the head gate. Using a 9/16 drill bit, we're going to go ahead and drill out our holes to the final size for our 50-gallon crossbed. If your vehicle is not equipped with a bed liner, please take the cautionary steps and apply the 2-inch supplied foam to the bottom of the tank. This reduces the chance of the tank wearing through on the bed. Now that we've foamed the tank, being our truck does not have a bed liner, we're going to feed the hoses through the supplied grommets that we've put in the side of the bed. Position the feet over the holes. install the carriage bolts supplied in the kit. Sometimes it may be necessary to use the supplied spacers in order to get the tank to seat properly on the bed.